1. Desert Valley Auto Parts. Location: Phoenix, Arizona, USA. Known for its vast collection of classic cars, spanning several acres. 2. Crazy Ray's Auto Parts. Location: Baltimore, Maryland, USA. Has a reputation for having a large inventory of classic and vintage cars. 3. Auto Parts City. Location: Cicero, Illinois, USA. Known for its extensive collection of used and classic cars. 4. Big M Automotive. Location: Williams, California, USA. Focuses on vintage and classic American cars. 5. Old Car City, USA. Location: White, Georgia, USA. While not a traditional junkyard, it's a famous automotive graveyard with thousands of classic cars spread over 34 acres.